First, we're going to peel and mash 3 very ripe bananas. Next comes 1/3 cup of olive oil. And 1/2 cup of honey. Pop! Time to whisk them together. Hey Anna, go faster. Now let's add 2 large eggs. Anna is ready to whisk again. Now it's time to add the mashed bananas. And still we whisk. A 1/4 cup of milk comes next. Did someone say whisk?
Is the one, fellas.
That's right, Anna. For fluffy bread, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a little over the shoulder for good luck. And a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Ah, our old friend the whisk is back. And finally, we add 1 3/4 cup of flour. Ooh, artsy shot. What, no whisk? Pop! Make sure to spray your tin. In the oven it goes for roughly 55 minutes. Think it's done? Put a knife in and see if it comes out clean. That's looking good. Thank you, Anna, for all your help.